Hi everyone, my name is Sahari Prar. Today I'm going to explaining you all of the dental specialty feature which we are using in our system and why our Cloud Portal is best in the dental specialty module. So I'm just logging with the Dr. Ali account. So here is the main screen schedule where we are showing that all of the appointments will be showing it. So the receptionist already make a schedule appointment like Sahar's appointment already scheduled by the nurse or maybe the nurse or maybe the receptionist, any other person. So currently this is the dental specialty which I selected. All of their subspecialty will be showing it at the corresponding it. I'm just selecting the appointment. You just need to select the appointments to go to with the inner view of the appointment details and just go to the appointment details and then going to the other screen like the doctor view screens and other screen as well. So we just need to say click on the appointment. So this is the appointment details screens. In appointment details screen, this is the different tabs like we are having it in our system like vitals, files, filling forms, which I already explaining you in other sessions. So I'm just going to explaining you the main our core features like dental specialty feature. So I'm just going back to the our view clinical note. So basically our view clinical node is the 360 dashboard view which we are having in our system where doctor can add multiple features and multiple modules data according to the patient requirement like what is the patient allergies record, what is the prescription record, what is the patient labs records. We can edit multiple record in this screen as well and we have to manage all of the data as automatically, no need to maintain manually as well. So this is the doctor screens. First we have to add their chief complaint data in the main screen. For example, if I am taking the chief complaint because I'm making a dental appointment, so just making pain and teeth. Okay, I'm adding this chief complaint. Just click on the plus button to adding this chief complaint in our list system. You just need to edit the diagnosis. Diagnosis is just like our ICD-10 code. So you just need to write our three-digit code. The system will be showing a long list which we are having in our system. You just need to click any of the drop-down value which it's appropriate to the patient needs. Okay. In that there is a calling that all of their dental specialty features and their subspecialty permission scheme will be showing it. I'm just currently explaining you the baseline, the initial stage of the dental where doctor examining the patient teeth and then making up different steps like which option will be best for this teeth and which option will not be best for this teeth. So in here we can maintaining and scheduling our initial process. We just need to click on the add new. So basically, this is all of the patient's teeth record will be showing it in these screens. So the patient is a 24-year-old. All of their year-wise data will be showing it. Like if a 5-year-old or 2-year-old child coming in our system, then their corresponding teeth will be showing it. Like their 12 and any other teeth according to their year-wise. We can showing the data according to their year-wise in this game as well because currently there is a 24-year-old, so that's why all of the teeth will be showing it. If their child is coming in our system, they don't have the proper teeth, then their corresponding teeth age data will be showing it in these screens. Okay, I'm just selecting a specific teeth which patient saying that I'm having a pain in teeth number 11, so please remove the teeth or please make some other setting in this screen as well. So for example, okay, in this screen, for example, if I am selecting teeth number 11 and then patient say, please remove this teeth, I am very having pain in this teeth. So we can also add some of the patient like missing teeth. We can also apply some of the different operation like crown, bridge, veneer, denture. For example, if I am applying the crown on 22, then system will be showing our corresponding different values like which material you want to apply it on the tooth number 22, like their zirconia, composite, press, ceramic, different options according to their. And similarly, their conditions also will be showing it. If I select any of the options in the material, then their corresponding condition like their sound, curious, defective, not cosmetic. It also will be showing it in our system. And after selecting all of the screens, the system are saying that do you want to add this all of the setting in your plan? So basically, we are explaining you the baseline. Baseline is just like the initial assessment and initial stages of the teeth, where doctor examining the patient teeth and they are taking some steps like we will do these things in your teeth. Are you agree? If the patient is agree, then we will do these changes in our plan, and we can do some of the other thing as well. So we just need to add this plan. Yes, patient is agreed to doing some changes. Okay, after this, we are also applying some of the operation in the root as well. So for example, if I am selecting the root, this is the corresponding root option will be showing it like you want to apply some of the curious operations, raising operation, and defective operations, and their corresponding defect also will be showing it like the root defects and their crack value, vertical, horizontal. So we have a longer list and we can save it according to these requirements and according to these data. Like we can apply multiple operations on tooth and we can apply multiple operations on their root as well. Similarly, we have a different surfaces. This is the all of the teeth surfaces which we are having, like front, back, left, right, the top, all of the teeth surfacing which we are having. Like this is the teeth surfaces, it's a parietal, and they are having some of the issues. All of that in dental terminology, these terms will be showing it, and doctor also will be adding these terms in your adding plan as well. If I am applying some of the patients in the lower tooth as well, so just click on the tooth. We can also apply the bridge. In bridge schemes, system will be saying how many bridge you want to apply. I am saying that I am applying 34 to 36 bridge. So we just need to apply 36 bridge and then finish it. So these are the bridge we are system creating it according to this, and there is the counting, and these are the different value which we are pressing it in this screen as well. We can apply different values which we are having in our teeth one by one. So I'm selecting all of the three values. I'm selecting upper of the values, upper of the root values, and now I'm satisfying all of the doctor's operations. And now I'm going to add these baseline into our next state plan as well. And now I'm going to save it. You can also see that all of the step-by-step procedure will be maintaining in the notes field. And doctor can also be doing some notes according to the all of the teeth, according to their number wise, to in their future record and in their future purposes as well. So I'm just writing to save this note. So this initial baseline will be saving it in our system. Okay, after saving this, now we go back to the plan screen, and this is the next screens of the plan, because baseline is our initial assessment when we're saving data as the initial stages after getting patient approval that we are going to applying this process in your ticket. Are you satisfying? Are you ready according to their will? Then, then we will move to the doctor, move to our plan stage, and doing some of the things in the patient teeth as well. So I'm going back to the plan screen. So this is the plan screens. In the plan screens, we are just selecting our baseline that we are recently created. In the baseline, I'm just selecting the last one, which I just showing it. You can see the recently created baseline will be showing it. I just need to write if some of the doctor said like I missed some of the part. I just also need to write this data in the baseline. For example, if they miss like 37 teeth is not adding in the previous baseline, we can also add these data in our system as well. Just click on the points and then need to add the data. After adding data, you just need to write some of the points. If you're missing some date, for example, if I'm adding a new plan, I'm adding already selecting the previously baseline, and then for example if doctor say they miss some of the points in the last baseline, we can also add it in this screen as well. I'm just saving this plan because all of the process is already created. You just need to save this plan. After saving the plan, the system says currently the status is incomplete. You need to complete it. You cannot complete before playing it. So you just need to accept the plan. System saying that you have to accept the plan before going to the next stage. So now the plan is completed, and the system said we can also complete these services after doctor adding some of the services in the patient's in the patient teeth. Like currently the status is progressing. After completing all of the process, doctor just need to click on the status progressing to complete. Then system saying that now this plan is successfully completed in your screen as well. So this is the plan screen. We can also same thing like we can add notes in this screen as well. And now we go back to the next screen in our tissue screen. Tissue is just like all of the oral treatment plans which we can edit in the different, like we can add the different screens, and we can add multiple location in our oral treatment, like we can add multiple lips operations, their heart operations, so buccal operations, buccal musical operations. So these are the different operations. You just need to select the some of the points which you want to select it in a specific part, then system will be highlighted it and will be maintaining all of the doctor records step by step. Doctor just need to write the points in a specific part of the patients, and these data will be highlighting, and these data will be maintaining in our records as a patient history. Like I'm just adding the 3 points in this soft tissues because these are all of the soft tissues of the patient oral treatments. I'm just adding these points in our training. We can also make this start date and date, all of the patient record in the inner details. We having seen different of the item detail screens, their note screens, their action as well, all of their dimensions, their types. We can add it, and all of the material like their width, height, depth area, description area, texture area, all of the this area will be adding by doctor according to the patient soft tissues requirement. Like if they're applying some of the patient in these screens, if they not harm it in the different process, we can also maintain these area record in this soft area processing. After adding the data, we just simply click on the save, then data will be saved. These are all of the doctor's record. Doctor can be record all of the soft tissues record in these screens. After there is the oral record, we can also manage the oral record of the patient as well in this screen. Similarly, we just need to select the colors of the different screens of their patient needs according to their colors and according to their swelling levels. We can just select their highlighted part, and we select and drop down list of the specific area. System will be highlighting this area, and similarly all of their documented list of the predefined template will be showing it in the drop down. We just need to select it like this, which area patient need currently, which areas no patient need. So these are the oral of the jawline area, upper area, all over the patient records like their skin colors, their all of the patient record will be adding in these screens and added by the doctors according to the patient needs and according to the patient current condition. After there is another options which we are having in our system. This is the perio. PAU is just like the documentation process which we are using in our system. These are the different types of the forms and different types of the which we are heading according to the patients, and just need to write the data in these predefined forms and selecting area like currently if patient having the bleeding issue, and then delay issue, and then other issue if patient having, just need to collect of the specific part and need to write the patient area in these screens, and just need to write these all the information according to the doctors, because if the doctors not allow some of the very hard medicine in your patient's needs, so we can manage all of their delete, and they're maintaining all of the history of the patient, like if the bleeding issue, if the delay bleeding issue, if their mobility issue. So all of the issues we can add it in these screens. We just need to select some of the specific part, and you can see that at the moment when I select it, the specific part of the area will be highlighted in the teeth area. So this is the plan of the perio. After the perio, this is the orthodontic. Orthodontic is just like the case forms assessment in the patient teeth area, like what is the general forms information of the which patient practitioner is using is the patient take care. What is the initial assessment of part one, initial assessment part two, their treatment plan, their appliances, their additional information of the patient there, what is the progress rate now patients. So we can maintain all of the step by step process in our documentation process in the future need of the patient as well as in the doctor as well, because patient and doctor no need to remove their data in our system. We maintains all of the data when automatically. Doctor just need to write some of the points which they want to add it in our system in the future record of the same patient. Like if this patient come in that next time, then simply doctor go back in the patient screen and they simply view all of their previous record in the previous screen as well. You just need to click on the some specific date, all of the previous record in that specific date will be showing it. So these are the soft documentation of the orthodontic process. Other is a TMG. TMJ is also like the different types of the document of the jawline area. TMJ is a basically two soft tissues which we are having to connect in our jawline area. So we adding these TMJ issues and data in our TMJ modules, like what is the pain area of the patient, what is the deep area, what is the different area of the these compliances. We can select all of the patient case sheet, and we can maintain all of the patient record in the patient file screen. Doctor just need to write all of the information in front of the patient, so the patient can also be tell us like if they have a smoke issue, not smoke issue. So these are all of the our documentation process in the patient file history. So all of the documentation and all of the TMG process data will be saving it according to the patient dental condition. So the last one is the orthodontic. Similarly, orthodontic, you just need to click on the plus button. All of the case sheet compilers will be showing it, like the initial assessment of the case sheet. What is the scaling area of the patient need in the upper scaling area, the lower scaling area? What is the total tooth quality right now in the future? Also, we can also these different types of the treatment plan template. We can edit in these screens as well. So these are the different screens which I explaining you all of the dental screens. So these are different dental skill. Like currently, patient come in the system and then dental make a plan, like the initial assessment baseline plan. After getting the approval from the patient, then doctor going back to the plan screen and going to approval this plan. Then going back to approve. After adding some of the process in the teeth, then all of the process will be going it. Then there is a different skin like tissues, issue, oral, perio, ortho, TMJ, orthodontic. Along these lists are using in our system according to their dental specialty. Okay, so after adding all of the data in the baseline plan, tissues, oral, perio, orthodontic, so doctor can also view their documentation process and the printing process in our consultation. You just need to go to the consultation. In here, there's a patient visit history will be maintaining automatically. In the top of the screen, we can see that currently today's appointment, their doctor name, then the which appointment, and then doctor will be showing it their episode number. You just need to click on the view details. In this, we can see that the currently patient come in our system. The doctor added by the chief complaint after adding by the diagnosis code. They adding the some assessment notes. They adding some of the plans after adding these of their the baseline plans. They have adding some of the different tooth number, like these are the baseline plan. These are the ICD code, and these are the plan accepted by this patient, and these are the consultation specialist services which patient is using in our system. So we can also get payment from the patient against these services. If I'm going back to the clinical and the main screen of the billing screen, where we can see that in the bill section, we can see that these patient will be showing it in our in cash bills category under the date. the doctor name will be showing it, the total bills. And currently because patient is only taking the services but he not getting any payment, so that's why all the payment will be going to the dues amount. And these we can also view their print detail as well. So we have a different modules like the payment in which we can get payment from the patient, and we getting all of the pending dues amount in the patient as well. So this is the way to complete of the dental procedures, and this is the invoice generation process where we can generate all of their dental procedure invoice and getting payment in our system as well.